Ever thought about camping but didn't know where to start? Picture this: Sicily, 1973. I kid! But do picture waking up to the symphony of birds, enjoying a cup of coffee freshly brewed in the crisp morning air, and absorbing the delicate breeze carrying the aroma of pine. That's the charm of camping, the prospect of an escapade that brings us closer to nature. Let this video be your guide. We'll walk you through the diverse ways of camping and equip you with enough knowledge for your maiden adventure. So, let's jump right into the camping life and find your perfect outdoor adventure. Camping can be different for everyone. Let's check out the different types. Starting off with tent camping, it's a cheap and flexible way to get close to nature. But remember, you're at the mercy of the weather. Secondly, we have RV camping. It's like having a comfy mobile home, but it can be a bit pricey. Then there's backpacking. It's for the bravehearts who like a little challenge. However, you gotta be well prepared. We also have glamping and yurt camping, but those are stories for another day. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to camp. It's all about what you enjoy and what you can afford. So you've picked your camping style, but where should you go and when? You've got options. National parks, for a classic camping experience with breathtaking views and diverse wildlife. State parks, which are more accessible and packed with amenities, perfect for beginners. Private campgrounds for something unique, or a RV resort with a range of experiences and amenities. Or just camp in the wild, for the true adventurers who want to fully immerse in nature. Now, when to go really depends on what you're seeking. Spring and fall for milder weather and fewer crowds. But winter and summer aren't off the table. With the right prep, these seasons can have their own charm. Picking the right place and time can make your camping trip even better. No matter the season, challenges can arise anywhere, anytime. So, you know what type of camping you're into and where you want to go, but how do you get ready? It's easier than you think. Firstly, gear up. Get yourself equipped with the necessities: a tent, sleeping bag, camping stove, and don't forget a sturdy backpack if hiking. Secondly, remember to pack the essentials. You cannot compromise on water, food, and a first aid kit. Consider items like a map, compass, and headlamp, as these can be lifesavers. Planning might seem like a lot, but it ensures you can enjoy your camping trip without any worries. The creature comforts you bring will be determined by your preferences, camping style, and location. Weight in all instances will make a big difference. Why should you even go camping? Well, it's a tremendous opportunity to bond with nature and fully immerse yourself in the outdoors. It's all about the adventure of exploring uncharted territories. It lets you discover unknown places and the delight of finding your own path in the wilderness. Plus, it's an exceptional method to spend quality moments, whether with loved ones, buddies, or just enjoying your solitude in the tranquility. And let's not overlook the break from constant bombardment. Trading devices for landscapes is a welcome shift in rhythm, providing you with the mental space to unwind and rejuvenate. Camping is a unique way to relax, explore, and make some great memories. So, you're ready to go camping. But what should you sleep in? The type of camping, the weather, and how many people are going all play a part. For instance, a group of 4 on a summer RV camping expedition might want to think about a pop-up camper, while a larger family weathering the winter wilds might choose a 4-season motorhome. And don't forget about transport. How are you getting to your campsite? Is there a parking spot? If you're backpacking, remember to consider the load of your equipment, and remember the golden rule of camping: leave no trace. This includes carrying out everything you brought in, respecting wildlife, and not disturbing natural features. Picking the right shelter and being eco-friendly makes for a comfy and responsible camping trip. Until next time, enjoy your outdoor adventure.